Greetings, fellow marketers and aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we embark on an eye-opening journey through the world of internet marketing. Get ready to uncover the hard-hitting truths that can steer you towards success in this ever-evolving landscape. So, without further ado, let's delve into the 4 hard-hitting truths of internet marketing. Truth number 1. Consistency is key. Picture your online presence as a garden. To flourish, it requires tender love and care, and that's precisely what consistency brings to your marketing efforts. So, whether you're curating captivating content, engaging on social media, or optimizing your website, maintain that steady rhythm. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a thriving online brand. Each step you take, each post you share, and each connection you make contributes to your ultimate success. Trust the process and let consistency work its magic. Truth number 2. Embrace continuous learning. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, stagnation is your arch nemesis. Don't let your strategies gather dust. Instead, stay hungry for knowledge and growth. The internet is brimming with resources, from insightful blog posts to engaging webinars. Make it a habit to explore new ideas, experiment with cutting-edge tools, and stay ahead of the curve. When you embrace continuous learning, you equip yourself with the right tools to conquer any marketing challenge. Truth number 3. Failures are stepping stones. Now, imagine yourself on a treasure hunt. Each failure is a clue that leads you closer to the treasure, success. It's natural to encounter obstacles along your marketing journey, but it's crucial to view them as opportunities for growth. When you encounter setbacks, don't let them discourage you. Instead, analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and adapt your strategies. Remember, every successful marketer has faced failures. The key is to use them as stepping stones to reach new heights. And finally, truth number 4. Authenticity wins hearts. In a digital world filled with noise, authenticity is the beacon that attracts hearts and cultivates loyal connections. Your audience craves authenticity, so be true to yourself and your brand. Share your story, your passions, and your journey. Engage with your audience on a personal level and listen to their feedback. When you embrace authenticity, you build trust and create a community that supports and uplifts your brand. As we wrap up our exploration of the 4 hard-hitting truths of internet marketing, remember that success in this realm is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never lose sight of your passion. Along this journey, you will encounter ups and downs. But armed with the truths we've shared today, you have the power to create an extraordinary future for yourself and your brand. Keep pushing forward, keep learning, keep evolving, and most importantly, keep spreading your unique brilliance to the world. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening ride through the world of internet marketing. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more inspiring content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Always remember, the power to make a difference lies within you. Until next time, keep shining bright, keep marketing with passion, and keep creating your own happy ending. Take care and stay awesome, my fellow marketers.